Continuing with the replacing Lodash with vanilla JavaScript series, today we're going to look at replacing the pick function in Lodash. So the pick function in Lodash takes the object literal that you want to act upon and then essentially destructuring out the value so that you can destructuring out the key so that you can get the value later on. This is actually very simple to do in the ES6 Plus syntax. So let's go back to the O food object again. So let's say I want to get the ID and the drink out of this object literal. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now let's take a look at what ID is. 1, drink, raw milk. This does not mutate the food object literal at all. See that? You can also use, you can also destructure array as well. So how would you use this in your everyday apps? Let's say you're working with Redux, okay? And in your component, you want to destructure something that is on your state object, okay? So you would do something like const, oh, I don't know, bacon1, bacon2, assuming that you have bacon1 and bacon2 on your state object, right, as keys. Say, from this dot whatever the own props is, just assume that you worked out map state to props and all of that. Props dot whatever, okay. Obviously it's gonna error out on whatever because I'm just making that up. But from then on, you could in your templating, in your JSX, whatever you're using, you can do something like bacon1, bacon2. Okay? Good luck.